2016 Acura MDX. So this is the passenger front. See the way it's fitted, even down below. Goes all the way to the top, curves underneath the footwell, all the way around, and it continues to the back. See, sides curve all the way around. And fitment, it does go from edge to edge to edge here, all the way. I say it's pretty good fitment for the money. Husky provides good product. The only problem is, I read in the review that these stickers they fall out, come apart. You could just re-glue that. But here's the underside. It has these kind of sharp pins. That's plastic, and that's what keeps it in place, so it doesn't move when you hit the tap. You know, it's pretty soft, hard plastic, but the family likes it. This is the wife's car. It's better for her, better for me. I clean the car, so you don't even have to take that out and dust it off or wash it off. Easy to wash off. Okay, here is the rear. So we got the full set. It came like this, full set. So here we go. Same thing in the back, side to side. Goes underneath. Does catch a lot of debris and dirt. Look at that. So this is a close-up of Husky floor mats for the Acura MDX, 2014 to 2017, I believe. Ours is a 2016. So this is edge to edge, comparable to WeatherTech floor mats. But you can check out the fitment. I was wondering the fitment when you purchase it and put it in the car. I didn't see too many reviews or showing good video of it. So, and this also has that part. We left the original floor mat down here just because of these. Okay, and they do leave marks, but you can definitely, brush it or vacuum your car and it will come out. So this is the rear. Okay. Yep. And without it, it would be horrible back here. This is the front driver. And what I like about this is that it stretches all the way up here to the foot brake and all the way up underneath the pedals. And the reason why I like that a lot is because when your shoes are wet or it's winter, bad weather, just liquid, it'll fall and roll and position itself inside the weaves here, and it catches it pretty well. And also here it comes with 2 clamps, so you use the original OEM knobs. That's the clamps. So here's the back side, catches it everywhere. Okay, it does say guaranteed for life. I think these hold up well. We've had them for about a year, and fitment edge to edge. I mean, it doesn't come You know, it still says directly on it, but you know, it does the job. It was custom to me. Yep. So I wanted to give the world out there to see what Husky floor mats do. We come with a long line of weather mats and OEM ones. They don't curve up as much as these do, as you can see. Traps in a lot of water. I mean, when it comes to bad weather, can't beat it for the price. Or just go with the weather techs. A little bit more, but it does the same. Easy to clean. Yep. Thanks for watching this review of the Husky floor mats for the 2016 Acura MDX.